Welcome back to Auto Luxury Channel, the place where timeless machines, vintage legends, and automotive history come alive. Today, we are stepping back into the golden age of trucking to admire one of the toughest and most fascinating workhorses of pre-war America, the 1937 GMC T14B Truck. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Auto Luxury Channel for more classic vehicle stories, rare automotive history, and legendary machines that shaped the roads we drive today. The 1937 GMC T14B truck represents a powerful chapter in American industrial history. Long before modern pickup trucks became luxury vehicles filled with digital screens and comfort technology, trucks like the GMC T14B were built with one purpose in mind: strength, reliability, and pure hard-working spirit. This truck was born during a time when America was rebuilding itself after the Great Depression, and dependable transportation was more important than ever. At first glance, the 1937 GMC T14B carries the unmistakable design language of the late 1930s. Its bold upright grille, rounded fenders, and tall stance gave it a commanding presence on the road. Unlike modern aerodynamic trucks, the T14B proudly displayed its rugged mechanical character. Every curve and metal panel reflected durability and purpose. The large circular headlights mounted on the fenders gave the truck a confident face that still captures attention nearly 90 years later. One of the most beautiful aspects of the 1937 GMC T14B is its simplicity. There were no unnecessary features, no flashy gimmicks, and no complicated electronics. This truck relied on solid engineering and mechanical honesty. Drivers of the era appreciated vehicles they could trust in difficult conditions, whether hauling farm equipment, transporting goods across town, or carrying supplies through rough rural roads. Under the hood, the GMC T14B was equipped with an inline-six engine, an engine style GMC became famous for during the 1930s and 1940s. These engines were respected for their smooth power delivery and dependable performance. While modern horsepower numbers may seem much larger today, back in 1937, this truck delivered the kind of pulling strength businesses and workers truly needed. It was never about speed. It was about endurance. The driving experience of the GMC T14B was completely different from modern vehicles. Drivers sat upright behind a large steering wheel with a simple dashboard in front of them. There were no touchscreens, backup cameras, or driving assists. Every movement demanded skill and focus. Starting the truck on a cold morning, shifting gears manually, and managing heavy loads required real driving ability. That raw mechanical connection is exactly why vintage truck enthusiasts still admire vehicles like this today. The interior of the 1937 GMC T14B was basic but functional. The cab was designed for hard-working men who spent long hours on the road or in the fields. Bench seating, metal controls, and straightforward instrumentation kept everything practical. Yet despite the simplicity, there is a certain charm that modern trucks cannot recreate. The smell of old metal, the sound of the engine rumbling through the cabin, and the feeling of driving a machine built almost entirely from steel creates an unforgettable experience. During the late 1930s, GMC was building a strong reputation for commercial vehicles that could survive demanding work environments. The T14B became part of that growing legacy. These trucks supported small businesses, farms, construction sites, and local industries throughout America. In many ways, trucks like this helped move the nation forward during one of the most challenging economic periods in history. What makes the 1937 GMC T14B especially valuable today is its rarity. Many of these trucks were used heavily for decades and eventually disappeared from the roads. Unlike luxury cars that were preserved in garages, work trucks lived difficult lives. They faced harsh weather, rough roads, heavy loads, and constant wear. As a result, surviving examples of the GMC T14B are now considered treasures among collectors and vintage truck enthusiasts. Restored models often appear at classic car shows, vintage truck gatherings, and automotive museums where they attract admiration from people of all ages. Younger enthusiasts are amazed by the truck's massive steel construction and old-school engineering, while older generations appreciate the nostalgia and history connected to these hard-working machines. One of the most impressive things about the 1937 GMC T14B is how it symbolizes durability. Even after nearly 9 decades, restored examples still run, drive, and perform. That speaks volumes about the quality of engineering from that era. These trucks were not designed with planned obsolescence in mind. They were built to last for generations. Collectors today value the GMC T14B not only for its historical importance but also for its visual character. The tall grille, wide fenders, exposed running boards, and vintage badging create a look that modern trucks simply cannot imitate. It represents an era when trucks had personality, individuality, and handcrafted charm. The 1937 GMC T14B also reminds us how far automotive technology has evolved. Comparing this truck to today's pickups reveals almost a century of engineering progress. Yet despite all modern advancements, there is still something deeply attractive about the honesty and toughness of vintage trucks. They tell stories of hard work, resilience, and craftsmanship. For classic vehicle lovers, owning a truck like the GMC T14B is not just about transportation. It is about preserving history. Every restored bolt, every polished grille, and every rebuilt engine keeps an important piece of automotive heritage alive for future generations. As we admire the 1937 GMC T14B today, we are not just looking at an old truck. We are looking at a symbol of American determination, industrial growth, and timeless engineering. It stands as a reminder that true legends are built with purpose, strength, and character. Thank you for joining Auto Luxury Channel on this journey back to 1937. If you enjoyed discovering the incredible GMC T14B truck, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss another classic automotive story. Let us know in the comments which vintage truck you would love to see featured next. Until next time, keep appreciating the timeless beauty of automotive history.